Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Sessions, a powerful video meeting tool that's currently on a lifetime deal on AppSumo. What is Sessions? Sessions is a video meeting platform that helps you create immersive and engaging customer-facing experiences. With Sessions, you can seamlessly integrate a wide range of content, from Google Docs, videos, PDFs, Miro boards, Airtable bases, to Notion docs, directly within the meeting window. This allows everyone to interact and engage with the tools as they were meant to be used. In addition, Sessions also includes a number of other features that make it a great choice for hosting webinars, workshops, and product demos. These features include interactive agenda engaging presentation tools, live transcripts, bookings and scheduling, custom event pages, and registration forms. Why should you get Sessions? You will fully understand after watching the demo, so let's see the demo. There are a number of reasons why you should consider getting Sessions, including it's a powerful and versatile video meeting platform. It's easy to use and set up. It's affordable, especially with the lifetime deal on AppSumo. It includes a number of features that make it great for hosting webinars, workshops, and product demos. How to get Sessions to get Sessions? You can head over to the AppSumo website and purchase the lifetime deal. The deal is currently priced at $49, which is a great value for all the features that Sessions offers. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile video meeting platform that can help you create immersive and engaging customer-facing experiences, then I highly recommend Sessions. The lifetime deal on AppSumo is a great opportunity to get your hands on this amazing tool at a fraction of the cost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Click the link in the description to get the Sessions lifetime deal on AppSumo. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out.